Let me show you how you can do this in DaVinci Resolve in under 2 minutes. So I have two clips on my timeline and I want to add a likely transition in between them. And the first step is dropping it on a new track above your main footage, right on the cut. You want the middle of the transition sitting exactly on the cut point. So it burns out on the first clip and it bursts into the second clip. Then you will want to play this light leak transition until you reach the point where the full viewer screen is solid white, and then you can highlight this light leak transition and press M on the keyboard so you can leave a marker. After having a marker on your light leak transition, you want to select the marker, place your timeline playhead right above it, and move 5 frames forward and trim the clip until that point, and 5 frames onto the other direction. That way your light leak transition will be about 10 frames long. Then you can position this transition right on the marker in between the two clips that you're having. Highlight it, go to Inspector and change the composite mode to Add. This is removing the black background and leaves only the light. This is it. No masking, no keyframes. Now let's make it harder with sound. I'm adding an impact whoosh right on the cut and a razor that builds up just before the hits. That makes the transitions feel much more powerful and cinematic. The transitions, the impact whoosh, and the razor are all from my light leaks and sound effects pack, 300 plus assets made specially for DaVinci Resolve. It is just €12.99 and the link will be in the description. Nice, clean, and cinematic. It takes about 30 seconds to make once you know how. If you want the pack that I'm using, it's just €12.99 and link will be in the description. It includes 300 plus assets, all DaVinci Resolve ready. If it helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, and see you in the next one.